Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grease a Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your essential tools: a reliable grease gun, a tube of fresh, appropriate grease, and some clean rags. Before you begin, ensure your truck is safely lifted and supported on jack stands on a level surface. This provides easy access to all the necessary components. We'll then identify the key areas needing lubrication. Now, let's pinpoint those crucial grease fittings. You'll typically find them on components like the upper and lower ball joints, tie rod ends, and sometimes on universal joints. If you're unsure, your Dodge Ram 1500 Owner's Manual provides a detailed diagram. Before attaching your grease gun, always take a moment to clean each fitting. This prevents dirt and debris from being pushed into the joint, ensuring a clean lubrication process. With the fittings clean, it's time to apply the grease. Securely attach the grease gun nozzle to the fitting, ensuring a tight seal. Slowly pump the grease gun, watching for a small amount of fresh grease to ooze out from around the boot or seal. This indicates the joint is sufficiently lubricated. Be careful not to overgrease, as this can damage the boots. Finally, wipe away any excess grease to keep your components clean. Maintaining your Dodge Ram 1500 suspension through regular greasing is key to its longevity and performance. Aim to grease these points every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, or as recommended in your owner's manual, to prevent premature wear. This simple task can save you significant repair costs down the road. Also, for a different kind of upgrade, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as well-maintained as your truck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.